Definition of production. Production is defined as making one thing from another, and it depends on the use of a set of tools, means, and machines in order to reach its main goal. Production is also known as the important step in a chain that contains a set of operations that contribute to obtaining a specific good or service that is provided to the beneficiary public. Another definition of production is that every process has inputs, outputs, and resources that implement a set of steps that contribute to converting raw materials into products that benefit individuals in society. Genesis of the concept of production. The famous philosopher and economist Adam Smith is considered the first to use the word production to refer to productive processes in 1776 AD, and then the concept of production began to spread in most industrial sectors, and in 1900 AD, the scientist and thinker Taylor linked production and the planning function as the direct means to carry out special work in production. In 1915 AD, a link was made between production and inventory as one of the means that contribute preserving products after applying production correctly, and between 1931 AD 1935 AD, work was done to activate the role of controlling the quality of production, which contributed to greatly enhancing the concept of production. Thus, production became an important role in many types of industrial and service facilities. In order for production to be applied in a correct manner, it must be linked to a set of important operations, namely, the production process. It is the first of the production processes, which depends on the use of all means that help to implement it in a correct manner, and it includes manpower, the financial value allocated for production, and production means, whether related to workers or industrial machines, which contribute to obtaining the final product. The commercial process. It is the reliance on the commercial role of the establishment in presenting the produced materials, whether they are goods that are supplied to merchants or sold in the establishment's own branches, or services that are provided through the establishment and its branches, and the commercial process contributes to the sale of the establishment's production to the individuals targeted by it. The monetary process. It is the one that contributes to determining the financial value of the cost of production and the operational processes used, and then knowing the value of selling the products. This process assists the financial department and the establishment in following up the results of achieving profits or losses from the production process. The marketing process. It is the use of all available means, which contribute to marketing the products obtained from production, and whenever the marketing process is able to attract customers and consumers to the facility, this contributes to the success of the production role in reaching the desired profit. The importance of production. Production is of great importance, whether at the level of individuals in society or companies that depend on products and services, and this importance is represented in the following points: developing many areas of public life, which leads to an increase in the well-being of individuals by producing many products and services that help provide a group of useful things, such as computers and mobile phones, contributing to the emergence of the global industrial development, which led to the growth of many types of industries, especially the new ones. Providing appropriate support for economic development by providing the gross domestic product (GDP) with a set of resources that help its development. Helping support many professional and agricultural sectors that were previously dependent on labor skills only, and which over time have become using devices and machines to enhance their workflow. Work on developing trade, which in the past relied on traditional means, and production helped make it more developed through the use of commercial sea and air transport. Production model. The production model is the strategy or plan that is applied in a production organization in order to contribute to the work to achieve production, and each production model includes a set of stages, namely, studying and understanding the nature of products by knowing consumer requests, or by identifying the options available to suppliers who control the nature of production. Comparing the various variables of production, which contributes to the use of one of them in order to start implementing the production process. Building the production system by relying on the final choice of the production model, which requires a prior understanding of the need to focus on the quality of the materials that were produced. Modifiability of the model. It is the ability to implement any change or set of changes that contribute to reformulating the production model in order to comply with any recent developments in the production process, and these Developments may include the emergence of new ideas for production or the use of a group of modern tools and devices. Conclusion: production is considered one of the most important activities that contribute to supporting the local economy of countries. It includes obtaining many types of products such as agricultural, industrial, and service. The concept of production is considered one of the old economic and administrative concepts, which leads to the creation of beneficial benefits for people, and the application of production in a facility requires the existence of a set of production processes which contribute to achieving the required results of production in an appropriate manner, and this helps in enhancing the importance of production in the work environment, and the start of production implementation depends on the existence of a PRE-prepared model which contributes to reaching the required results in the best and most successful way.